This is a Norton hard Arkansas oilstone. As you can see, zoom in. It is flattened and chamfered on both sides. It is been in oil strip for a few days. This side is lapped to 400 level. This side's lapped to like 1500. Still a little. Bit of staining, but nothing really. Few, excuse me, bread knives ripping off wire edges. And on this side, you can still see a little bit on this side of the ghost of where the blue label would have been. As you can see, a little bit. This stone is 8 inches long by 1 and 29 30seconds of an inch wide, excuse me, by 29 30seconds deep. So 8, 29 30seconds, 29 30seconds. It is specific gravity of 2.5333, which I tested via the submersion method. And I wish I had a flashlight. But anyway, that's that on that. So, in the box, has seen better days, but it's there. It's held together with what appears to be friction tape. Hopefully it's not sticky anymore. But, hold on. Don't get it open. Open. I should have done this before I hit the film button. Or it's some kind of plastic medical tape. I don't know. Sports tape. Electrical tape. Old electrical tape, that is. And I guess this is also old electrical tape that's gone manky, but it's all held together by it. And that's pretty much that. Hard Arkansas oilstone. 2.5333. Thanks.